So I talked a lot about this two-in-one category.
Yes, I was listening.
The importance of Windows 8 there. What does Microsoft think about two-in-ones, and what's your thoughts there?
Yeah, I mean, simply said, we're big fans of the category. And the reason is, I think they bring incredible value to consumers. I mean, whether you need to work or whether you want to do a little play, it has both. I mean, as you said, it's a tablet when you want it and a laptop when you need it. And that's really, really incredible. The thing that I think is stunning, and you highlighted this, is just the amount of innovation that's coming from OEMs in just such a short period of time. And it brings touch, it brings the best of all categories together. So it's exciting innovation.
Absolutely. So what's next? Obviously, Windows 8.1 is coming right around the corner. Maybe you can give them a sneak peek of what you're seeing there.
Yeah, I mean, it actually is a big week this week for 8.1. So we released the 8.1 RTM bits to developers just yesterday. We've seen an incredible uptick already. One of my favorite tweets on the topic was, thank you Microsoft for doing this and listening, and really releasing these bits on MSDN and TechDev. It's a big win, a win-win for both of us. And so that's terrific to see. So far on 8.1, we've seen more than 2 million downloads. So it's definitely, getting a bit of chatter and excitement out there in the marketplace. And it's really, it's an exciting release for us because it brings an ability for us to, respond and listen, and it's a good example of us doing both of those things. And it's a lot of little things that end up adding up to something big. I mean, I think about 8.1, and I think, for the audience, it gives a chance for, Windows 8 to be familiar again. Whether it's the start button, whether it's the ability to boot to desktop, whether it's the all apps view, or just the ability to actually turn off charms if you're in a mouse and keyboard type of environment. We made the first party apps even easier to use with mouse and keyboard. So there's a lot of innovation coming in 8.1.
And momentum around Windows 8 itself?
Yeah, so momentum around Windows 8. Certainly in August there was a NetApps statistic out which talked a lot about some momentum coming, and we saw that. I mean, we saw demand, and we are seeing demand for Windows 8 devices for back to school. And August was our highest amount of activations, which is new PCs coming online essentially, in the history of Windows 8. So that's encouraging.
And yesterday was a question about applications. So
yes.
What about the apps?
Yeah, so 8.1 is an important dynamic for developers and apps. And in fact, yesterday when we released our bits, we also put out the latest in Visual Studio release candidate, as well as Windows Server RTM. And so that really starts to get out more bits for developers to be able to build apps. And so we see Windows 8.1 as a big deal for apps. There's some exciting apps coming, like Facebook. We're also seeing Foursquare recently, so a lot of momentum continues to come into the store. The thing that I think is so important as well in our partnership is that sort of all of those apps over time are available on Windows Intel devices, including 2-in-1s. And so it's the apps as well as the new apps coming into the store. And again, we see Windows 8.1 as a real milestone to help take that forward.
Okay. XP end of life. I'm about ready to talk about some business stuff. Maybe you can just give people a perspective on the XP end of life that's on.
Yeah, I mean, XP end of support, which happens in April 2014, so just around the corner, which makes this a timely question. An amazing amount of progress, and I know people in this room and people listening have been a big part of that. We're seeing now about 3/4 of enterprise desktops have moved to modern Windows, so that's great to see. We do see that 8.1 and all the new form factors will help that, and so we believe that sort of last leg, if you will, of XP migrations. We think that Windows 8.1 and in particular the new devices can really help enterprises make that decision and sort of get even better ROI from the investments that they're making in moving to a modern Windows. So a lot of encouraging momentum.
Good, and then a lot of chatter on store-in-store and what Microsoft is doing in retail to drive product through. So maybe you can give us an update there.
That's right. I think the Best Buy partnership is a classic example of that. I mean, we're so pleased with the environment that we've been able to create between Best Buy, Microsoft, Intel, and our partners, just a great environment. We call it the Windows Store within Best Buy. I mean, if you look at back to school alone, there were 100 new unique Windows 8 devices coming into the Best Buy environment for back to school. And I know holiday is going to be terrific too. So it's just a wonderful curated environment where customers can go and pick out the device that's best for them. And that's across 400 stores now across North America.
Well, great. Well, it's a great partnership. I know the audience is very excited about Windows 8.1, so thank you very much for your support.
Thank you, and thank you everyone for your support. Thank you.